Alright, Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. Got my crew down here, and we're going to do a quick video of everything, to where it is and how it's set up before we get started, because we're starting the painting. And so this is the front foyer room. Okay, front foyer. And you walk in the house, and then this comes into the main living room area. A chair there, couch, a lamp here with a bunch of stuff on it. Turn on some lights around here. Chair, speakers, big armoire there. All this stuff. We're moving stuff around, so I want to know where to put it when we're done. Magazines. Everything has to go back where it belongs. In here. Fern. Picture up over the doorway. Into the dining room area. The other dining room area. Light show isn't very bright. Bill, you're going to need a knife, a flat bar. What you're going to start is taking off door trims. But you got to cut this back here, make sure it's cut, the caulking or whatever's cut. A knife and a flat bar and a hammer. Kitchen table. Pretty much it. That's what we're doing. See? You doing alright, buddy?
Yep.
Alright, we got the ceilings painted. We got some of the door trims put on, because we don't have it painted yet. We got them installed. And we have door trims back in here, all new. This piece here is getting the Southport bow, so it got 1x4 around it instead of the door trim. Not quite so decorative, but the decorative part of that will be the top. And we got some new door trims here. I think you might like these window trims that we put on here. Super wide, super cool. If you like that. These ones here are going to get the same thing. Doors out being painted. Already retrimmed them, put new trim on them. And we've got this one here tore apart. Still got to tear off this piece here. Get rid of this track here and retrim that window. Something cool. Got everything covered up. It's Saturday afternoon, about 2:30.
What was that? This ain't right.
It ain't?
It's good.
Why ain't it? A little tight. Them ones are up there. Start of it. I'm working.